In this video, we will share with you life cycle of butterfly. So, life cycle of butterfly is basically exist in 4 stages. The first one is egg, and the second one is caterpillar or larva. The third one is chrysalis or pupa. The fourth one is butterfly. So let's move toward the eggs. Butterfly eggs are laid on a plant called a host plant. They are super small and placed on a leaf by a female butterfly. The egg stage usually lasts several weeks before caterpillar or larva come out from the egg. Now, caterpillar. The caterpillars first feed on the shell from which it is born and then start feeding on the larva and starts to grow. Caterpillars have different shapes and will go through a series of stages is called instars. The third one is chrysalis or pupa. It then forms a protective layer around itself. This stage is called chrysalis or pupa. The last stage, making a butterfly. After the pupa stage, the adult butterfly has 4 wings and 6 legs. It may take 3 hours for the butterfly's wings to dry, and then the butterfly can fly. So that were all about the life cycle of butterfly. For more videos like this, keep supporting us, keep subscribing our channel. Thank you.